Hi everyone, do you know you can solve quadratication without formula? Just a quick trick.
First, let's consider an example for x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0.
We all know that the general form of quadratication is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a and b are the coefficients of x square and x term and c is the constant term. The shortcut to find roots of the equation is multiply first and last term, that is called product. Here 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Then change the sign and take and write middle number, that is called sum. Here sum is 7. Now we have to find the two numbers whose product is minus 8 and sum is 7. Now we will get the numbers 8 and minus 1. Divide these numbers by first number 4. We will get the answer immediately. So x equal to 2 and minus 1 by 4. These are the roots of this equation. Similarly, let's solve another example. 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. Here product of first and last term equal to 9 into 4 equal to 36. Change the sign of middle term, that is called sum. So we will get 12. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 36 and the sum is 12. Then we will get the numbers 6, 6. Divide by the first number 9. Then we will get 6 by 9, 6 by 9. 6 by 9 reduces to 2 by 3. So x equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3. This quadratication has equal roots. Now let's consider third example. 2x square minus 15x plus 28 equal to 0. Here product of first and last term is 2 into 28, that is equal to 56. Change the sign of middle term, that is called sum. So here sum is 15. Then we have to find two roots whose product is 56 and sum is 15. Then we will get two numbers 8 and 7. Then divide by the first number 2. So roots are 8 by 2 and 7 by 2. That means x equal to 4 and 7 by 2.